Hey there, in this week's video, I want to share with you the number one food that you actually need to be eating more of during these perimenopausal and menopausal years in order to lose weight, that it actually might surprise you. So most women think that they need more protein in their foods, and that is just not true. Okay, that has been shown that that's not true. It's actually more healthy fats. The number one food that we need more of in order to lose a stubborn menopausal weight is more healthy fats. So let's dig in. Okay, so before we get started, I want to ask you, please, please, please pause this video right now. Just pause it and go hit subscribe on my YouTube channel. I would so appreciate it. So pause here and do that for me. Okay, now that you're back, thank you so much for subscribing. So also, if you are looking for a community of other positive, supportive women, all in the same journey of weight loss during these menopausal years, come join my Facebook community of Weight Loss for Midlife Women. And lastly, if you are interested to hear what it looks like working together, getting coached through your weight loss journey through menopause, please join me on a free 30-minute consult call. That way I can really hear where you're struggling at, what your weight loss goals are, and how I can support you going forward. So please join me on a call, and I will link all of those in the show notes below. So come and find me. Okay. So let's get digging in here. So if we have not met yet, my name is Nicole Dalton. I have been a family medicine physician assistant for over 20 plus years, now a women's weight loss health coach through menopausal years. So I work with women 35 years and older on helping them lose this unwanted menopausal weight. And I never had any issues with my weight until I hit perimenopausal years. And as a medical provider, I felt like I never did a great job helping women in this stage in life lose weight because the research just wasn't there. And until the last 5 years or so, these menopausal women, we've finally been talking about menopause for one thing, and the changes that are happening to our body, but also more importantly, what's happening to our bodies, why we're gaining weight, and how to lose the weight. And it wasn't until I crossed through all of this research that finally is available to us. And we finally have answers now on how we can adjust the way we're eating in order to lose this menopausal weight. So let's dig in here. Okay. So the first most important thing that I want you to leave and take away from this video today is you have to eat differently now than you needed to 10, 20 years ago before these perimenopause years. And you can actually hit perimenopause as early as 35. But menopause is defined by not having a period for one full year, and you can be perimenopausal for up to 10 years prior to that. No labs are necessary typically to know that you're in perimenopause. Okay. But what you do need to do differently during this phase in life is, first of all, don't settle with this being your new norm. I don't want you to think that being overweight, gaining this weight, especially around the belly, that's called visceral fat, and feeling tired all the time, this absolutely does not have to be your new normal. Do not let your mind tell you that, because it is not. And there is an easy way to adjust what you're eating every day in order to allow for weight loss. Okay. So the thing that you need to do differently during menopause years is actually upping your healthy fats. Okay. So the healthy fats are the unsaturated fats. These have actually been shown to reduce cholesterol and reduce inflammation. This is what we need because during perimenopause and menopause, it's a very inflammatory state. Our insulin levels have been starting to rise because our estrogen and progesterone levels have started to decline. And so we want to eat foods that are naturally more or less inflammatory and also will help to balance out our insulin levels and bring those levels down to allow for weight loss, because insulin just makes our bodies store the weight, especially around our midsection. So if we can eat in a way to lower those insulin levels, lower the inflammation levels, then we are able to lose weight. So healthy fats do that for us, okay? So some examples of healthy fats that you need to eat more of, because I know from the 80s, at least I grew up in the 80s, and we were always told to no fats, right? Like, who knows about like SnackWells and fat-free everything, right? Like, that was just ingrained into us. That is actually wrong. That is not the way we think anymore. We actually have to increase our healthy fats. So most of my clients that I work with, the first couple of weeks, that's really what we focus on, is because most women are not getting enough healthy fats in the diet to accommodate for weight loss. So examples of healthy fats: avocados, nuts of any kind, seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds. Throw these in everything, right? Full fat cottage cheeses, full fat sour creams, anything that has, you can even use a little bit of butter is better than margarine, right? Like a little tablespoon of butter or extra virgin olive oil when you're cooking your veggies. You can toss them in those, but that's all good, healthy fat. We want more of that, okay? And if you're wondering, how can I include more healthy fats in my diet? Like, what does that look like? How do I know what kind of meals to prepare? A simple tool that a lot of my clients love using is called, it's actually using artificial intelligence or ChatGPT. It's a free app you can get on your phone, and you can ask ChatGPT, I need a meal plan for the next week that accommodates for weight loss, and I need it to include a lot of healthy fats. And it will spit out your meal plan for the week. It's amazing. Most apps like that you have to pay for, but this is all free. And you can even, so as ChatGPT like spits out your information as far as your meal plan, you can say, well, I don't, give me a new plan without avocados if you don't like avocados. And it will spit out a new meal plan. So you can play with it, and actually it will give you a meal plan with higher healthy fats to allow for weight loss in your meal plan for your week. Okay. So I hope you have found this interesting and something that you can learn and take away by eating more healthy fats. I'm sharing with you the healthy fats guide that I give to all my clients. It has a list of all the healthy fats and how much healthy fat is in that particular food. So you can choose these healthier fat options for you while you're trying to lose weight. So that link is in the show notes as well, and it takes you straight to the healthy fat list. Okay, so I would be so curious to hear back from you on how you're incorporating more healthy fats in your day-to-day meals. And I would love to see pictures of how you are incorporating this. So I would love to have you show that. You can reply back on YouTube, or you can show me over in the Facebook community, Weight Loss for Midlife Women. Share your pics, share your stories, and share your recipes of what you've enjoyed with healthy fats. So go eat those healthy fats, ladies. I can't wait to hear from you. If you are ready to get this weight off and want to know what it looks like working together, join me on a call, and we'll create a plan together for you.